Hey guys, here's how to make Slim Shady in Lego form. So first you'll want to grab these sand blue plain legs. Try to find those on click. Next we'll try to get like a plain white torso. Get um two of these boys. So molded white short sleeves pattern. Make sure it's the color light nougat. Pop both of those on. Get some light nougat hands, two of them. You'll want to grab this Luke Skywalker head, minifigure head, brown thin eyebrows, black chin, dimple, neutral pattern. Pop that on, and then this just on top hairpiece, bright light yellow, and obviously we want this headpiece to be light nougat. Pop this on his head. Then you want to get a microphone, obviously, since he's a rapper, one of the best rappers actually. I like his music. You'll probably want to get this one, black. Pop it onto his hands, and pop it onto his hands, and that's how to make Lego Slim Shady.